Meet James and Alex Smith, brothers. They love to make music together, in the garage, for the dog, and in the living room. James and Alex's parents signed them up for music programs, and they heard that the Government of Canada has introduced a tax credit that can help them save on their federal taxes. It's called the Children's Arts Tax Credit, and the parents can claim it for each child in an eligible arts program. This tax credit will lower the Smiths' federal taxes owing by the amount of the credit, providing they have federal tax owing. So, how does it work? For the purposes of this tax credit, children must be under 16 years of age at the beginning of the year. James is 13, so he qualifies. Because Alex is also eligible for the disability tax credit, he has to be under 18 at the beginning of the year to be eligible for the Children's Arts Tax Credit. He's 15, so he qualifies. The kids are young enough to qualify, check. Now, what types of programs are eligible? Eligible programs must be ongoing, supervised, and suitable for children. They can be one-on-one, like private lessons, or in a group, like summer camps. They must include a significant amount of eligible artistic, cultural, recreational, or developmental activities. In 2012, James took guitar lessons every week for the whole year. Alex went to a one-week summer music camp with drum lessons in the morning and leadership activities in the afternoon. Check. Both Alex's and James's programs are eligible. Now, how much can the Smiths claim for the credit? Parents can claim up to $500 of eligible expenses for each child registered in one or more eligible programs. Alex's program cost $960, and James's cost $700. So their parents can claim $500 for each child's program. Because Alex is eligible for the disability tax credit, his parents can claim an extra $500 if they spent at least $100 on fees for an eligible program. They spent a total of $960 on Alex's camp, which is of course more than $100, so they can claim an additional amount of $500 for a total of $1,000 for Alex. Now, how do the Smiths calculate and claim the credit? To claim their credit, they can enter the total amount claimed on line 370 on their 2012 Schedule 1 federal tax. The credit is calculated by multiplying the total amount claimed, which is $1,000 for Alex and $500 for James, by 15%. So the Smiths' tax credit is $1,500 times 15%, or $225. They should keep their receipts in case the Canada Revenue Agency asks to see them later. Great! The Smiths have saved some money on their taxes. To learn more about the Children's Arts Tax Credit, including details on eligible activities and expenses, visit the Canada Revenue Agency website at www.cra.gc.ca/artscredit.